All right. You're good, man. Fix that smart key. Okay. That's regular. That key here. You counterclockwise or clockwise to unlock?
To the
left?
Yes.
Let's try this other one. There's the good one right here. And kind of awkward. Standing position. There it is.
Damn.
Bump key, man. Yeah. I make them myself.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. All right, man. Put these tools away.
You take card, right?
Yep, not a problem, brother.
Okay.